ai hujik chan pa ki school dani lai se moi heng annual day ki function ki hujik chan dang pung mapan tara bani on moi kana practice tauri chan pa se lai mana lo re siga school ki maning dani tawi se school ki asuna ka side lai mai tan chang tau do re Hello everyone, ngasi se ai ne ichanupa ki school da annual day jaw ka chalu ke tawbani ado khoi mapa di chalaroi ichanupi ga jumda le horani ma chalaga da amna ne problem jamoi duna nupi se poroi duna mapa se le horani ai thanta oi chalani ado ata budi manabi me ama phangnani ba ado hodik se thoge tawri losan lore school jawraga mu jenghala ge mapa dai na uber am tang tawai na haigre ado uber to sim chakhra ge ado jacket chim paisa lege jacket je ingi Delhi da hoji patana inge ado jacket ja da moi khula maidani moi toido hawa nuchit ka ekdam ngarang chalu yaba ado nuchit am silori aduna jacket alumba ma pude jare si hor ichanu pa de la ke to bani halak pada ado me am thoke ja da jawraga mu te khala ge papa uber to khaba ichanu pitu mi ado chala hora ke thore ichanu pi se jaw da bisen dinu ngai te mapa su angang gi tamak ta chala ro hai re to ai jan pai tamak te dilep te ya da le ne am jawra gam jeng hala ge jawre Angang bazar rồi, kopi dah jadi nak tadi. Macam sit kerik kuzam tu ni. Hi, thank you. Oi, hi balo.
फंक्शन जिसमें मुझे आना था, मैं इन्हीं कारणों से नहीं पहुंच पा रही, पर मेरी ओर से आप सभी को बहुत ढेर सारी बधाई है, शुभकामनाएं हैं। जिन बच्चों ने बहुत अच्छा परफॉर्मेंस किया, जिन्हें आज अवार्ड मिल रहे हैं, और सभी टीचर्स ने जिन्होंने इन बच्चों के साथ में इतनी मेहनत करके एक नया सूरज इनके जीवन में लाया, एक नया क्षण उनके जीवन में आया, और आप सभी लगातार बच्चों के भविष्य के लिए मेहनत कर रहे हैं। बहुत सारी बधाई, शुभकामनाएं। ऐसे ही तरक्की करते रहिए, आगे बढ़ते रहिए, स्वस्थ रहिए, मुस्कुराते रहिए। थैंक यू।
Namaskaram. Take your seat. Students, today we discuss Raj Dharma, the duty of a ruler. Tell me, what makes a kingdom truly strong? Is it gold, army, or the hearts of its people?
Acharya, a kingdom with a mighty army can never be conquered. No, Acharya, I think wealth builds armies, so gold is the true strength.
Both are useless without loyal subjects. Fear cannot hold a nation, only love can.
Good, good. You speak like future statesman. And you, Vishnugo, what are your thoughts?
Our kingdom is strong only when its ruler follows dharma. If the king forgets righteousness, his throne deserves to fall, no matter how high it stands.
But Vishnugupta, can a subject dare to question his king?
When a king becomes unjust, silence is sin. The duty of the wise is to correct the powerful, not to please them. And if the truth costs you everything, if power crushes the voice of wisdom, will you still speak even then? Because silence is the luxury of cowards, Suhasini, not of seekers.
Your fire is dangerous, child. Knowledge is a blade. Use it to protect, not to wound. Students, enough for today. Remember, students, true victory not lies in conquest, but in the control over the self.
Thank you, Acharya. Namaskaram. I am sure one day Vishnugupta will argue with kings themselves. Only if you do it right. Only if the king forgets what Rajadharma means.
Did you see that? Chanakya solved the entire question again without even looking at the scriptures.
Yes, and the point Suhasini added after that. Brilliant. When these two work together, even wisdom bows before them. Careful. Soon we'll have two teachers in this class instead of one. Don't tease. Chanakya's thoughts are different, deeper, and Suhasini understands him like no one else.
True. Remember yesterday when the Acharya asked that question on Niti, everyone was silent. Only these two spoke, and what a beautiful answer it was.
Sometimes I think you were born not for peace, but for purpose. You speak as if destiny already listened. Perhaps destiny does Suhasini, but it listens only to those who refuse to bow before injustice. Vishnugupta, do you ever fear where your words will lead you? Only fools fear truth, but I do fear a world where truth no longer matters. Okay, let's go now.
The tears of a woman, the laughter of a tyrant, all three shall burn together to forge a nation.
This Brahmin dares lecture me in my own court. Guards, drag him out! Crush his pride!
Hear me, last king of Nanda dynasty. This Brahman swears today, I shall destroy your throne from the soil where you threw me. I shall raise a child and crown him emperor.
Don't try to scare us, Brahmin. Right! Pretending to be a liar. Guards, take him away!
All hail King Chandragupta! Hail the great Emperor Chandragupta! All hail King Chandragupta! Hail the great Emperor Chandragupta!
spirit of the people who would change the world. So ladies and gentlemen, before we close this extraordinary evening, the message of the tonight is हार में सीख, जीत में विनम्रता, संघर्ष में धैर्य और निर्णय में society and stronger family. I wrote and directed this production not for applause but for awakening. It's Chanakya's vision reaches even one heart today. My mission is fulfilled and my mission is accomplished. With pride and gratitude, we officially close.
Privileged to invite a distinguished member of our academic leadership, Ms. Sandapreet Kaur, Senior Coordinator, Senior Wing, to deliver the vote of thanks, expressing our heartfelt gratitude.
A very warm and respectful good evening to everyone present here. On behalf of Dwarka International School, I feel honored to propose a vote of thanks on this grand occasion of our annual day, Sanskriti 2025-26. As I stand today, I firmly say I owe the success of my school to everyone associated with it, for which I am extremely thankful and grateful. First of all, I extend my heartfelt gratitude to this celebration. Lacy Pete, Traffic Dwarka, Mr. Ravindra Pandit ji, for their esteemed presence today. A special thank you to Mr. Atul Kumar ji and Mr. P.K. Pradeep ji, the DE nominees, for honoring us with your very honor. To extend my gratitude to Mr. Rajbir Singh Gahlot, educationists, for taking time out their busy schedules to be with us in the evening. With great respect, I express my heartfelt gratitude to Ms. Shalini Agarwal, former principal of our association, to our principal Ms. Shweta Roy, for our enthusiasm.
आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे.
Thank you for your energy, your applause and your support. Thank you all for joining today, for every cheer and smile along the way.
हम लोग की अपनी बंगाली है ना, लोकल लैंग्वेज, तो हम लोग को बंगाली आते हैं। हम तो बाकी भालोबासे नयनतारा सीरियल देखते हैं ना, कभी कभी आते हैं। गेम शो गुजराती है ना, वो गुजराती यार, देखो कितना डेकोरेशन सही है ना। मस्त वाला इनका वेडिंग हॉल था, लड़की वाले। हाँ सही। ज़्यादा प्यारे से यार।
आज है ना पूरा कितना जीत लिया बोलो। आज मेरा दोस्त है ना टेट्रापैक लाया था, दो दोस्त थे, एक दोस्त है टेट्रापैक, एक और दोस्त है टेट्रापैक, चार
kamu ngarang mama tam tayo ne kamu ngarang mi ikutin juga sana deh paano sana ulan no lala ini lore hadik lore program se halla ni hadik la chal bula mucha thoi lo gai la ni lo lala chal jam good boy ni la hai de la o thoi bi Angang iwa baga lagi je ayuk nganta di caki ni je school dana pung 11:30 da caki ni adu gai di hadik se pung tara tare nghangi pung tara tare la sila kan pala macam bye bye to macam
bye bye
bye
guys.
bye bye ꯇꯥꯏꯃꯤꯡ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯍꯜꯂꯅꯤ ꯌꯨꯝꯗ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯀꯣꯟꯅ ꯃꯊꯪꯒꯤ ꯕ꯭ꯂꯣꯛꯇ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯐꯪꯅꯔꯁꯤ ꯕꯥꯏ ꯕꯥꯏ ꯊꯦꯡꯉꯦ
विनय भैया
ꯍꯣꯏ 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 ꯂꯩꯖꯁꯪ